Hey everyone, I'm Arnold James B. Brotonel, and today I'll be talking about the future of the hospitality, transforming guest experience with VR, AR, and the metaverse. As the technology advances, virtual reality, augmented reality, and the metaverse are changing the way we experience hospitality. In this presentation, I explore how these innovations are creating new immersive experience for the guests and shaping the future of travel and service. So let's go. So this is my slide one. The hotel industry is progressing quickly with the relatively recently emerging modes of virtual reality and augmented reality in hospitality settings. Virtual reality or VR places participants directly into an artificial world, and it can be used to sell hotels, rooms, and restaurants, or even in entire tourism destination to the guests from the comforts of one's home. In the case of hotels, VR is a great marketing tool since it's great confidence in prospective guests in what they are booking, according to Kumar 2021. In contrast, augmented reality increase real-life environment by adding computers, added objects into the environment and creating a two-way environment. For instance, in different restaurant, customers are introduced to digital chef who brings their food virtually. It is exciting as it gives the guests more value for their time with the restaurant and novelty in their interactions. So this is my slide 2. VR and AR are not only optimizing client interaction but also improving the satisfaction. Using VR, visitors get the idea of buyer services and feel what they will have in a hotel, which gives them confidence in their decision and desires. This concept of virtual previews has been established to enhance decision making, creating an embrace to feel of familiarity for the guests before they arrive, according to Kumar 2021. Consequently, it can positively impact inquiring and delivery, including interactive menus and greeting virtual guides to room services. These above elements are supposed to build emotional bonds with guests, and it can be hypothesized that guest satisfaction may be higher because the additional value consumption and perceived drivers felt during experience. So this is my slide 3, transforming hospitality operation and training. So hospitality operation and staff training are other industry and application that apply VR and AR to ensure the services run smoothly. VR training allows staff to simulate natural hotels environment, practice guest interaction, and learn housekeeping routines, all within control settings, according to Elizabeth Godina, 2023. Uh, this kind of simulation training improves services delivery since employees practice services delivery concern without necessarily having to escape from the guest experience. AR is used for on-a-job training of maintenance and housekeeping staff to ensure more different, efficient operation of the organization. When overlaid with the real-time information, AR can guide staff through tasks more efficiently and quickly that if they were to perform them and must reduce error while improving services delivery, according to Kumar 2021. So this is my slide 4, the role of the metaverse and emerging technologies. In this context, metaverse technology is another new ambitious direction in hospitality. For its guests, hotels are becoming building operators in the metaverse, where people move around as avatars and use physical objectives to integrate digital experience. This appeals mainly to young and technically inclined travelers eager to explore the virtual world by allowing novel forms of interaction. For hotels, the metaverse brings a new opportunity which range from virtual assisted check it out process or virtual tours of hotels where the guests can experience a more engaging from guest orientation in 3D rather than traditional 2D methods according to Kumar 2021. In other cases, metaverse application can also mean a virtual conference or other meetings experience that hotel industry can view as an avenue to catch attention of younger generation travelers. And this is my last slide, and it shows my reference here. And thank you everyone, and God bless.